Welcome to English for All. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more videos and updates.
In this video, I'm going to tell you something about appearance. That is unit 2 of meaning into words grammar. So first, what is meant by appearance? Appearance is how somebody looks like or what something looks like. That's appearance, right? So in this relation, we need to talk about the different verb forms or the different verbs like look, looks, seem, look as if, look as though. So very firstly let's talk about look and look like, or looks and looks like. So mostly look and look like, they are used to compare, or they are used to say what something resembles with, or what something looks like, right? So we use the verb look with an adjective to describe someone's emotions or state. For example, he looks happy. He looks happy. She looks excited. You look tired. Right here, happy, excited, and tired. These are adjectives. So, and after look or with look, adjectives are used, not the noun. Only adjective. With look, we need to use the adjectives. So subject plus look or looks plus adjective. It depends upon look or looks. If there is singular noun, we will use looks. If there is plural noun, we use look. She looks so beautiful. It looks dangerous. So beautiful and dangerous. These are adjective here. So one thing we remember, with look or looks, we need to use adjective only. Only adjective. Adjective means that can describe noun, right? So looks like, use look like or looks like to talk about physical similarity of a person and thing with another. For example, Ram looks like Rahul Gandhi. This house looks like Taj Mahal to me. Okay, so with looks like, we don't use adjective, rather we use noun or noun phrase. Here Rahul Gandhi is noun and Taj Mahal is also noun. So we use look plus adjective, right? We said she looks beautiful, yeah. He looks excited. We used adjective with look, but with look like or looks like, we don't need to use adjective. Rather, we need to use noun, and sometimes we can use noun phrase too. For example, this house looks like Taj Mahal to me, right? So you can see the structure with looks like, subject plus looks like, or we can use look like also, no matter, plus noun or noun phrase. Noun phrase भनेको चाहिँ so that's a phrase, okay, दुईटा अथवा दुईभन्दा बढी वर्डहरू भएको चाहिँ वाक्यांश हो जसमा चाहिँ noun is a head there, right? So singular noun, if there is singular noun, we use looks like. For example, he looks like, Sam looks like, right? Plural noun, look like, they look like, will, so, or those look like, right? So the house looks like a tower. The boy looks like a businessman. They look like Australian. So a tower, a businessman, Australian, or a tower and a businessman, this is a noun phrase, and Australian is noun. So with looks like, we should use noun or noun phrase, but with look, we should use adjective. Get this? So the next verb that is used to talk about appearance is seem. Seem is also known as a copular verb. Copular verb भनेको चाहिँ, it's a linking verb. Okay, copular verb is a special kind of verb used to join an adjective or noun complement to a subject. भनेको copular verb ले चाहिँ noun र adjective लाई जोड्ने काम गर्छ सेन्टेन्समा, अथवा this works as the connective. Okay, so there are other many copular verbs like appear, seem, look, sound, smell, taste, feel, become. Okay, यो कुराहरूले चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट अथवा नाउन र एडजेक्टिभलाई जोड्ने काम गर्छ, राइट? seem means appear and look like. seem भनेको चाहिँ appear अथवा look like सँग रिलेटेड हुन्छ. Study the following examples. I think he likes classical music. अब यही कुरालाई कसरी भन्न सकिन्छ? It seems that he likes classical music or he seems to like classical music. So this, so माथि भनेकै कुराहरूलाई we can tell that in different ways using seem. I think he likes classical music, right? So यस्तो देखिन्छ भन्ने कुरा गर्नको लागि मात्र seem युज गरिन्छ. रियल भन्नको लागि हैन कि के जस्तो देखिन्छ. What does something look like? के जस्तो देखिन्छ त्यो भन्नको लागि चाहिँ we use seem, right? So next, that is we are going to talk about that is mentioned in the textbook also, seem with the 2 plus infinitive. We can use seem with 2 plus infinitive. For example, Tony always seems to offend people. Everybody seemed to be ready, so we set off. The old man seems to have mistaken us for some people he knew years ago. Negative sentence with seem. Then यो चाहिँ माथिको चाहिँ positive sentenceहरुमा चाहिँ seem कसरी use गर्ने भयो, right? If there is plural noun, we use seem. If there is singular noun, we use seems, right? With 2 plus infinitive. भनेको seem भन्दा पछाडि चाहिँ हामीले 2 plus भाव 1. Infinitive means भाव 1. We should use भाव 1. For example, he seems to play football, or he seems to have lived in London, or he seems to have studied hard, right? So त्यो भने चाहिँ पोजिटिभमा भयो. अब नेगेटिभमा चाहिँ कसरी हुन्छ? कसैले चाहिँ he seems not, some people they write in that way, but that's not so, okay? For example, he isn't very rich. Then what can we say? He doesn't seem to be very rich, right? So we should write don't seem or doesn't seem. With singular noun or third person, we use he, see, it, or with he, see, it, we use doesn't seem. And with plural noun like I, we, you, they, we use don't seem. Yeah, they don't seem, or just like that, okay? So look as if and look as though. These are different items discussed here to talk about appearance. Clauses that start with as if or as though, okay, they are same. Then what meaning also, they describe an unreal or improbable or impossible situation if they are followed by an unreal tense. Okay, unreal tense means that is conditional, right? Unreal tense means conditional kura athwa chai that is not possible to have taken place. For example, he looks as if he knows the answer. He looks as if he knows the answer. She looks as though she is enjoying herself. So यसमा चाहिँ रियल कुरा चाहिँ एउटा हुन्छ, बट अर्को कुनै केही कुरा जस्तो देखिन्छ भन्नको लागि चाहिँ लुक एज इफ लुक एज दो भनिन्छ. फर इक्जाम्पल, he looks as if he knows the answer भनेको उसलाई आन्सर नआएको पनि हुन सक्छ, राइट? he may not know the answer, बट के जस्तो देखिन्छ, उसलाई आन्सर आए जस्तो देखिन्छ. इट मिन्स उसले जानेको जस्तो गरेको हुन सक्छ, राइट? So in that way we use look as if look as though. She looks as if she is enjoying herself. She might be in pain also, right? Like pain ma पनि हुन सक्छ, but she looks just like she is enjoying herself. Okay, she looks as if she is enjoying herself. So subject plus as if or as though plus we use complete sentence or complete clause there. Okay, not only the phrases, we use complete sentences. So as if, as though, used after look, seem. They are used after look, seem, feel. Okay, to express an impression. How do we look like? Sorry, how does something look like? Okay, so impression अथवा चाहिँ judgment. Okay, judgment express गर्नको लागि use गरिन्छ. So this is all about Unit 2 appearance. So thank you everybody. Have a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates and videos. Thank you.